Hey, Glyn here. I'm not here to waste your time. In just a few minutes, I'm about to hand you the keys to my 7-figure business, which makes me over $1,000 every single day. In fact, this is the same system that has generated over $1 million so far for myself and my team inside the high ticket profit system without creating products or websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without running an Amazon business, without trading cryptocurrencies or anything else you may have tried in the past. You're also not shipping products, there's zero overheads to run the system, and you don't need any experience or technical skills to succeed with the high ticket profit system. This system is a complete game changer, and what it does is so simple, yet so powerful to automate high ticket commissions with our affiliate links, so we get paid over $1,000 every single time. And it's not just me having incredible success with the high ticket profit system. I'm now really proud to say I've got a network of members across the globe, all getting great results like myself, which means I know you'll also be able to do this too. But before you do get your hands on the system, I want to take you back to March 2020, just before the pandemic shook the entire world. I went along to a secret underground internet marketing event in Washington, DC that cost me over $5,000 to attend. And it was at this event that what I learned about earning $1,000 high ticket commissions changed everything about how I looked at marketing and making money online forever. I was given the blueprint that will eventually become the mainstream way of making money online, and I knew immediately that this unique blueprint was gonna make me extremely wealthy very, very fast. In a nutshell, I discovered a unique way to promote other people's high ticket products and bag $1,000 commissions over and over again, without spending a dime of my own money in the process and working just as hard as I used to work making those measly $10 commissions. You know, why go to the trouble of promoting an affiliate product to only make a $10 commission when I can make a $1,000 commission with the exact same effort? Low ticket offers are easy to sell, but it's gonna take you a long time to make any significant money selling $10 products. Selling high ticket products is where the real big money is. But the truth is, you need to be experienced to know exactly what you're doing, because it's not easy to convince somebody to buy a product that costs over $1,000. And that's why I decided to create the high ticket profit system, an automated, done-for-you money-making system which makes us $500 to $1,000 commissions promoting other people's high-ticket products. So I came home from that top secret event and I created my own system that automates $1,000 commissions into my account, and I now want to let you in on the action so you can also tap into the exact same system even if you don't have your own products to sell or have never made a dime online before. The high ticket profit system levels the playing field so you can get the same results as the internet marketing gurus. This is affiliate marketing like you've never seen it before, because it's never been done like this before. Starting from scratch with zero budget, we're able to bank $1,000 plus commissions in as little as 24 hours. All you've got to do is grab your license to my high ticket profit system, plug in your affiliate link, and the rest is 100% done for you. With this system, my team and I earn 100% commissions on a product that has generated over $1 million in online sales over the past couple of years. This is the same system that saved my bank account ever since the pandemic hit, all the way through to the present day as we battle the latest job-crushing recession. Whilst all my other strategies that used to make me a lot of money online stopped working, I was able to rely on my high ticket profit system that churns out automated $1,000 commissions like clockwork for my team and I without any expenses, creating complicated funnels, or relying on unreliable paid traffic. This system has allowed me to travel the world first class and stay in expensive 5-star hotels, and I've even been able to purchase a $1 million apartment in one of the most expensive boroughs of London. So if you're sick and tired of buying junk products and softwares that teach you outdated methods that simply don't work anymore, now is the perfect time to secure your license to the high ticket profit system so you can live your dream life. We've done all the work for you to ensure you're as successful as the rest of the members in the high ticket profit system, and we're even gonna set up the system for you. We've created the product, the funnel, the website, the emails. We're doing the selling on your behalf for you, and we're dealing with customer service. All you have to do is plug in your details into my system, insert your affiliate link, and watch the magic happen. I want to help you succeed as fast as possible, but I know exactly how it feels to be struggling to make your first dime online, which is why I'm handing you my high ticket profit system right now. I've actually helped countless people from every corner across the globe make their first sale online, including these guys right here.
I just wanted to come in here and quickly send a quick shout out to my good friend Glenn Koski. Once again, you've come out with another excellent product. I'm gonna tell you right now, if it wasn't for the help and the money that I gained from purchasing your products, I would not have a small business right now. So I gotta tell you, I appreciate the fact that there's an honest affiliate marketer, mentor, and that's what you are. You're a mentor to people that are just starting out.
The last 3 days, I've got 10 sales. I've never done that before in all the years I've been doing this stuff. So I highly recommend Glenn and his courses.
I have been active only a few days, and as soon as I started to follow Glenn's instruction, the money started to come in.
So the last 30 days, I made $1,555. Look at the last 7 days here, $917.
Glenn promised that I would be generating income. I've generated nearly $300 in the week since completing the setup videos.
A big, huge thank you to Glenn. I've been using his products, and I just want to say that I have not found products like this that can instantly make you money and continue to make you the residual income that you've probably been looking for.
And I just want to give a quick testimonial and a quick shout out to my man Glenn. I want to say, brother, thank you for what you've done. In under 4 days, I was already start making $100 a day. So my man, I love what you're doing. Peace and love. And brother, keep doing the good work.
And that's just a small selection of the people that I've helped to generate their first sale online and their first high ticket commission. The bottom line is this: the high ticket profit system works and is something that you need right now. It's an automated system which is 100% done for you. Now you're probably wondering, how much is this automated profit system actually going to cost you? Well, the truth is not much at all. You can see the exact price on this page right now, and you'll see I'm pretty much giving this away, and that's because I want as many people to get access to the high ticket profit system as possible so they can finally earn their first commissions online and generate $1,000 high ticket commissions just like my team and I. Remember, when you secure your license, you're locking in 100% commissions to the exact same high ticket profit system that has given me real financial and location freedom. The freedom that allows me to do whatever I want, whenever I want. So if that's something that you want, click on the buy button on this page right now to join me inside the high ticket profit system. In fact, I want to make this such a no-brainer. I'm going to give you some outrageous bonuses, including the high ticket $1.2 million funnel, the fast track video series, which is a quick course focused on getting you started with the system as quickly as possible. I'm also getting you access to a free autoresponder, which we're using to literally print money with email marketing. And I'm also going to give you my email swipe file, which is full of hundreds of copy and paste emails that you can use to get the same results as we're getting. You're also getting the free traffic system as a bonus, which will eliminate any fears you may have about getting traffic to your high ticket profit system. And you're also getting 5 other powerful bonuses that will help you crush it with the high ticket profit system. And to make this a painless decision, try this out on my dime completely risk-free. Pick this up by clicking the button right now and use the system for the next 180 days completely risk-free. Start getting results with our automated process, and if for any reason you're not completely blown away, just let me know and I'll refund 100% of your tiny purchase price. We urge you to grab your copy of the high ticket profit system before the price jumps to $97 per month after the initial launch period. So click the buy button right now before you miss out on this golden opportunity, because you may never see this page again. Everything you need is on the inside of the high ticket profit system. Check below for full details and hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. Whatever you decide, I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation. Have a great day, and I hope to see you on the inside of the high ticket profit system, where you'll get to meet all the other members who have already made their first $1,000 commissions online. I look forward to seeing you as my next success story and the next profitable member of my high ticket profit system. Click the buy button right now.
Hey there, for whomever is considering purchasing something from Glenn Kosky, let me just say, great stuff, really good software that the guy develops. I don't know how he gets it done, but man, really, really cool stuff. Good tutorials, good training, good response time, and awesome tools. I use 3 or 4 of his products, so rest assured that you're getting a good product and you'll get good support from it, and I think you'll have a lot of fun with them too. So, all right, take care, bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Emma and I'm here to let you know that I've completed the training with Glenn, and I have learned lots of new strategies to generate leads and traffic for my business. Some strategies I wasn't even aware of, so I'm really glad that I completed the training. This is definitely the training for you if you're looking to build a solid foundation and to generate income month upon month and to build upon that. I'm so glad I found the course, and thanks Glenn.
He's just one of those guys that goes the extra mile, and is really there for support as well with his support team. You can get responses very quickly, and it's just amazing how that really sets him apart from all the other marketers out there. So I highly recommend getting started in his programs. You could really get a lot of results very quickly, and the best part I would say is just that you can learn the long-term strategies. If you put in the work and follow the steps that Glenn just so easily lays out for you, you will get results. And this is a testimonial to those results. So thanks again, Glenn, and to anybody out there, watching this video, definitely don't think about it anymore. Just jump right in, and it'll be the best decision you've ever made. Thanks.
And I just wanted to thank you, Glenn, for the software that I've got from you. It is already making everything easier, and I've already made some sales from just installing it yesterday. And so I'm excited about that, and I just wanted to pass on this message and hope it's useful to other people, maybe checking it out. What you do works, and the support is great. Thanks.
Hi there, this is Joe Montione, Los Angeles, and I just wanted to give you a word on Glenn Kosky and what I think of the work he does, because I just got through with one of his VIP workshops this week, and I was blown away because I've been following him now recently. I'm kind of new to this game. I'm ramping up my game quickly, and I want to make sure that I'm surrounding myself with the best. And one of the ways I do that is try to, patronize them, see what their software is all about, and maybe hit some of the workshops. And this guy is the real deal. There's a reason why he's starting to rake in the big bucks, because he doesn't just keep it, he gives it away too. He tells you in real terms how you can get it. And that's the part I obviously want to hear. And I don't want any riddles. I want it done straight, shooting. Don't get overhyped with me. And he doesn't do that. He's excited and he gets you positive energy, but there's a difference between that and getting overhyped. And this guy is the real deal. So I just want to endorse Glenn, because when I run across something genuine and something good, I like to share it. Once again, thank you so very much, Glenn, and keep them coming, buddy.
Listen, Glenn Kosky strategies are some of the best strategies and software you can possibly get in this market. He always seems to over-deliver on bonuses, one of the very few marketers that are still around from the time that I started this affiliate marketing. His strategies have set me apart from others and continues to grow my customer leads on a daily basis. So there's no doubt whenever Glenn puts up a software, I'm definitely going to get it. So appreciate you, Glenn, for all these years.
Hey guys, just wanted to shoot this quick testimonial video for Glenn. So in a nutshell, I've been into this internet marketing space for quite a few years already, and I've tried products after products and trainings from most of the gurus you may already know about. But I actually found him very transparent and a true genuine marketer. I mean, I know that is so unlike other marketers, but that is how it is, and he always delivers up to the promises. I still remember that day when I finally decided to get started with one of his trainings back in 2017, I believe, if I'm not wrong. And boy oh boy, was I in for a treat. I made my first ever breakthrough and I was literally like on top of the world, guys. You know the feeling, right? So anyways, his trainings are pretty much easy to follow and most importantly to the point, guys. I mean, that is something I really appreciate about Glenn. He always delivers to the point and no stone unturned kind of trainings. So yeah, just follow him, follow his step-by-step trainings, and I'm sure you'll see some success, guys.
Hey, this is Kurt, and just wanted to shoot a quick testimonial video for Glenn's products. I just picked it up and started implementing it, and I'm seeing success online already. It's just like the rest of his products, just chock full of value and easy steps to implement. Definitely go ahead and pick this up, and you'll be happy that you did.
Hey, this is Diana. I'm in Texas, and I'm doing a testimonial for Glenn Koski. Now, Glenn is not a Texan. Actually, he's from the UK, but I don't hold that against him. I've been following all the gurus for a number of years, trying to catch the star, and make things happen online so I can have the life of freedom that they have. I haven't reached that type of success, but I want to tell you about Glenn. He's one of the good guys. He wears a white hat. And I know that he's somebody that when he comes out with a product, especially software or anything of that nature, I trust him. It's going to do what he says it does, and it's going to make you money if you follow the instructions. He's somebody you can depend on, somebody you can trust. And don't take it just from me, but try it. He'll let you try it, and he gives you a great ability to get a refund if that's what you choose. I don't think you're going to want to. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Hey, Glenn. Hi. You know what? There's a lot of people selling so many things out there right now, and I'll tell you the truth, I get fed up with it. However, trust you to be the first to actually create a piece of software that everybody wants. So, Glenn, this is a testimony to you and a testimonial that, you know what, thank you for creating this piece of software. You know what, I've been waiting, actually, not just looking, I've been waiting and looking for a piece of software like this. Like I said, trust you to be the one that actually creates it. And the reason why I think is because you know what the people want. There's other people out there, and they're all trying to sell me this, that, and the other, and I get really fed up, to be honest with you, because they just fill up my inbox with spam, as far as I'm concerned. But you have not done that, and this is the reason why I keep you around, as it were. Sorry if that sounds a little bit too like like I'm treating you like a pet, but you know what? They do say a dog is a man's best friend, but Glenn, you ain't no dog, that's for sure. You're the dog, but you ain't no dog. But anyway, so yeah, this is a testimony I wanted to just record and say to you, thank you very much for creating this piece of software. I'm going to definitely look forward to using it, learning more about it, obviously, through the tutorials, and definitely making some big money, and hopefully, you know what, you'll create something even better. You understand? So thank you very much, Glenn, for this piece of software. I appreciate you, and please carry on doing what you're doing. And I know that you're actually really in tune with what the people want. So you know what? Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Johan. You won't believe it, but I'm 73 years old. And I've got this wonderful opportunity where I bought a nice program from Glenn, and I'm going to use it, and I'm telling you now, it's going to make the biggest difference in my life. I'm broke as it is, but I know with what I have now, I can do wonders, and I am going to, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I know we're going to be strong and very, very rich. Come on, this is it, and I'm so proud of you, Glenn. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Bye-bye.
There's a lot of people out there that are promoting really bad affiliate products and programs. If you guys check on Glenn Koski, my friend here that I'm referring to, everything that he promotes and that he comes out with is proven to work.